balik kasulod. Wala may kasulod.
Ah?
Wala may kasulod.
Basta, 1, 4, 1, ayaw gikwan sa, sa accompaniment ha, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Arwin yan na lang na Arvin?
Okay.
Please concentrate you, kay we need to hear your para ang relationship sa tones ba?
Relationship.
Wait lang. Ganit lang kaya. Advice na rin lang.
Say mo, babe?
Sa down the via.
Sa chorus.
Tapos sa part, first na ko intro sa alto. Chorus.
Listen to the note, ha? Go. Kadung sa
Mami, may ano nyo? Okay, go.
Ka-distract sila sa ako.
Confident ka.
The blood that will cleanse.
Ano.
51.
Yeah.
Go. Ay, napagana ba yung tiwas mag-isang kayo?
Alam mo?
Ayan mo,
Ako
Tenor.
ba? Pila ka counts before mag-grace?
4. Ay, sorry. Okay. Now, the Kalam came the Messiah. Go. Go. Nawala ka? Kisa'y nawala?
Ano lapit? Dili?
61.
56?
60. 61. Okay? 61, go.
Ang sa'yo mo, King?
Ako ano ko lapit? Ang sabihan lapit.
Okay, down the via, go. Siya conductor. Ready, go. Okay, down the via, go. Sing.
Wait. Muna.
Look at the whole piece. Again.
Down the viaduct.
Go. Uy, wala ka ganaw. Ano ka pa, kuya? Two, three, four, one, three, four, one, two, three. Okay? On the video, go. Again. Sige. You look at me, ha? I'll point to you. Alright, two counts na yun. Mga dili, two counts, four counts. Okay, two counts.
Bit na bit. Tell them, teach them how to sing. Okay? Tanaw, sa conductor, kamu dyan.
Dapat soft ka, soft mo, balance ka. Okay? Go. Up. Down. Go. Dili, siya na isa. Together, Calvary. Go. Dili, yaya. Ikaw, iya, saya. Go. Na siya. That's so good. Ya, dapat kusog-kusog imuha diha sa kuan. Sige.
What's that there? What's that?
Okay, babe. Sabi, okay na sabi. Okay na sabi. Babe, ayaw ka na ang imuha, babe, kung nagdilit ka mo blend, kaya mo, hindi mo ginana. Okay? Ayaw ka na.
Daddy. Ikaw mo.
Si Daddy na.
Abot man si daddy.
Nako, maganina pero pag abot. Shift na pa naman.
Sige na. Street.
Hindi ko lang kung makapot na ko na. Hindi mo lang ubus.
May ito, hindi mo nakakadagan. Ayaw, magkakaspat, mag-in si Mami. Dito lang siya, no?
Ito man. Oh.
Na makitaan ka.
Ay,
Kaya lang mo makitaan. Yarn.
dili man sila makita.
Kaya na. Sibog na ito.
Dili, oh.
Tagak ka, matagak.
Kana na lang mo.
Makitaan man si Ar. Makitaan.
Nadali man tanan.
Sibog pa. Makitaan na. Sibog pa. Muna na isobrang si Ar.
Usog kaya ang piano.
Kinaya lang
Sa
yan, no?
record.
Ayaw pag bunda ko play.
Okay na lang yung mama.
Oh, na na. Oh, ano ba?
Yes, on. Okay, go.
Makitaan ka? Isa lang. Baka on eh. On na. Kaya ready. On lagi. Ready ka.
Higher unta para makita mo. Kana unta babe. At tindog na lang mo.
Dami kamera diyan, may
Tindog
kamera.
mo, tindog, tindog.
In town.
Hindi, ano eh. Ganun na ba?
From the top.
Kasi mo na rate.
Si Kuya Ag. Ay, si ER kay lalaki naman.
Ay, PJ.
Ay, si PJ. Picture is sa
Oh, say start, say start.
Na yung picture ni Abi.
Ay, sa, ayun, kinag-video ko. Sige, pag mo tagdag ng video, kita talaga naka-direct. Dili, dapat ikaw una. Wala pa mahikuha na to. Nataas na rin no?
Pero ba si Abi magnabot? Ayaw pag usugami kay una man mag-narrate, ayaw magsugod
Di,
ka.
start na.
Abby, you're describing the scene.
3, 2, 1, go.
If you want to know someone's heart, observe that person's final journey. With his mission still before him, Jesus stopped his disciples and told them for the third time, "Be at Jerusalem that begins." Of his conclusive encounter with the enemy. "We're going to Jerusalem. The Son of Man will be turned over to the leading priests and the teachers of the law, and they will say that he must die. They will give the Son of Man to the non-Jewish people to laugh at him and beat him with whips and crucify him. But on the third day he will be raised to life again." Forget any suggestion that Jesus was trapped. Erase any theory that Jesus made a miscalculation. Ignore speculation that the cross was the last ditch attempt to salvage nation. For if those words tell anything, they tell us that Jesus died on purpose. No surprise, no hesitation, no falter. Jesus stepped toward Jerusalem with the promise of God in his heart. The divinity of Christ assured the humanity of Christ. And Jesus spoke loud enough for the pits of hell to migrate. But on the third day, he will be raised to life again. You can tell a lot about a person the way he dies. The way Jesus marched to his death leaves no doubt he had come to earth for this moment.